Well, good morning. About 6:45, and we're gonna load up here 20 hives, head down to the Omega yard and put them on for the gallberry to get a little extra gallberry honey, and to kind of get rid of these out here in the home yard. They're just kind of out there. These are some packages and some swarms that we have, and then we're gonna super up. So we got about 40 supers to super up because it's getting ready to be gallberry, and it's 2.5 hours away, and so you got to kind of super up when you can. So I'm gonna put you on here in this little GoPro and see what we get. And we're trying to get out early before the bees start flying so we don't lose a bunch. So and like I say, this set our home, and so we don't like really having a ton of bees around, just because the kids and neighbors and everything else. So still keep quite a few, 5 or 10 around here, but that's about it. Anyway, just follow along. Okay, here we are in Omega, just pulling in. Here's our existing VR. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here. Two yahoos. We're going to just try to pull this kind of over here. Give me enough room. There's Franken left. We're taking the screens off and getting ready to put supers on. It looks like the gallberry is just before starting to bloom here. And cool morning, ideal morning to be moving bees. Generally when you move the bees, get ready to take the net off, unload them. They get a little owly at times, but that's part of it. They'll settle down quickly and get adapted to their new location. Bees adapt rather rapidly. Have you got this thing on? Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. I see that's a heavy one. There you go. These are strong nukes here, and they're already needing a super to catch the gallberry flow. If you let them get overcrowded, don't put enough ventilation and enough supers, next time you come back, you'll have swarms hanging all over the place, and we sure don't want that.
taking off, it's going to be swelled out evenly on both sides and full of gallberry honey.
That's right. Okay, this is our new yard in Omega. It's on the same property as our other yard, but we went ahead and added some more so we get all that good gallberry honey. So now,
Miss Gladys, if you're looking, dear, we're going to name this yard after you. Mrs. Gladys Lee from Odessa, Florida. What do you think about that?
oh shit, Roy's already in them. Hold on, Roy, you can't do any of this stuff off the camera. Hold on. Let me get up here and get in there. Dadgummit. I'm gonna have to fire you.
Okay, don't fire me, Doc, please. I work too.
He was looking at him, but I got on to him, told him I was gonna fire him.
And then I started begging him to reconsider. Got excited. Got to strangle on my water barrel. See, this one needs a box. I already filled that all the way up, you know. See? There, let me crack it and show you underneath here. Look at that one underneath. Look at that, solid.
Oh yeah, we gotta pull feeders
Oh, I
out.
forgot that, yeah.
All
Look
right.
at there how that's drawn out. Look at that. Look at that, that's solid. See, this was foundation the last time. Look at there. It's solid, see? Look at that.
Wow.
Isn't that beautiful? Huh?
It is.
See, that was all foundation. Look
Yeah.
at there. It's drawn out. Look at there. Just take a little time to get started.
Well, you know, we had a couple of those that were like
yeah,
that.
Yeah, we did, All in all, though, not too bad. It'll build back up. This is all right. It's clean, right? I can see the brood down in there.
Oh, you got those put in?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh?
We better look at that. I don't
What
know.
you
I
got?
saw
Drone brood?
I saw a brood, but it looks like it's drone.
That's not good.
Let's see what's going on here.
Right over there. It is. I see it.
Yeah, drone brood. No, this is no good. This is queenless in the laying workers. I'm glad we looked again. See, these are laying workers. This hive has got to be busted up. When they get queenless like this, the bees get desperate. If they don't supersede and raise another queen, they'll start laying workers, and it turns into runt drones and they're workers. It's too bad, but when they get like this, you just have to bust them up. I'm glad we looked at that one, Bub.
Yeah, I'm glad you noticed it.
Well, I didn't,
I've seen the bees.
I've seen the brood, but we want to use this as...
Yeah, that looks like some good honey.
I mean, what do you want to do with the box? Just take it
We'll
out?
just take it with us.
Maybe use it for a soup or somewhere?
Well, we go. We'll bring another box down here.
what you call
Wow.
a sport.
This thing is heavy.
When you find an exceptional hive like this, you call it a sport. And you like to breed from them because the offspring from this hopefully will be the same as the mother colony. It's just like animals fighting over the strongest. Let the strongest survive. And you use these sports for breeders if you're a queen raiser. So you see, you can breed these just like you can breed animals. And that's how you keep up your good stock.
This is Doc from GAFLLA Bees, asking you to leave a comment and let us know how you feel. Or hit the like button to say you approve. And if you'd like to see more video updates from us, go ahead and ring that bell and be happy.